Has it been quiet this morning? Yeah, probably for the best. Good morning, up and over garage doors and all things Christmas. This is Isabella speaking. Yeah, okay, love. Yeah, missing something on your order for Christmas decorations. Bright lights for outdoor use. All right, love. Just put you on hold and have a look. Bobby? Bobby, are you still out there, love? Have you got any rennies? I feel a bit bilious. Also, I think I have to count the calories from the 3 bottles of Prosecco and the buffet if I throw them up about 5:30 this morning. You don't know? No, you're right. Probably will have to ask Kirsty. Mind you, she wasn't practising what she preaches yesterday, was she? 25 gin and slimline tonics. Well, I did say to her she probably should have just had 5 normal gin and tonics, you know, with a full fat tonic, and it would have been the same calories. You saw her at the bus stop this morning? She'd not been home? Well, I mentioned that on Tuesday. Yeah. I love you. Sorry to keep you on hold there. Our system's running very slow again this morning. Yeah. Ooh. No, you're fine, yeah. Just have you got an order number? Oh, okay, love. Well, I can see that it was sent on the 7th. I'll just see if I can get a call through to our couriers. Yeah. Oh, thanks, Bobby, you're a star. What are these? Senecam. IBS Relief. Better than nothing, I suppose. I'll give them a go in a minute. Yeah. He's still picking up bits of tinsel off the warehouse floor. Well, I did say I didn't think it was a good idea having the party in the warehouse. We'll be picking up bits of stuff off the floor and half-used party poppers to the middle of January. Nothing more miserable than seeing half a party popper hanging off the ceiling, is there, when you've skint in the middle of January? Yeah. Get Jimmy the apprentice with the broom, see if he can get him down. Yeah. Did you have a good night, though? Yeah. Did you see what Charisse was wearing? Tell you what, sparkly tights don't cover everything, do they? No, I'm not sure a matching boob tube was a good idea. Well, she'd be cold if nothing else, but watching her do the Gangnam Style with CEO, that was brilliant, wasn't it? That got everyone going. I didn't think he got it in him, you know. Yeah, quite swift at the hip, isn't he? Yeah, dark horse, Nigel. Got a woman on hold, hang on. Hiya, love, I'm really sorry to have kept you waiting. The distribution service is very busy this time of year. Yeah, I know. Yeah, you're right, it probably is all those giant fancy dress mittens that they've been advertising on the telly for Amazon. Yeah. Well, no, I'm a fan of fancy dress. I've got my tinsel on today. Yeah. Yeah, no, you are right, madam. It is always very sensible to check that she can use the lavatory whilst wearing the costume. Yeah. Are you happy for me to keep you on hold while I try the distribution service again, or would you like me to call you back? Yeah, I'll pop you back on hold then. Bobby, have we even sent this order? 2148? Oh, it is still in the outbox. Okay, love. What are we going to do? Because we missed the courier for today. How did it end up down there? Let's not ask how it ended up down there. Probably got tossed in last night while we were doing the Macarena. Yeah, all right, love. Yeah, you pop Bobby on his bicycle and get him down the post office now. All right. Yeah, I'll let her know. Are you doing a butty run? Tell him to do a butty run at the same time. I'll have one of them extra large Christmas dinner in a butty. Extra gravy, extra cranberry sauce. Yeah, there's a £5 in my purse. Yeah, just help yourself. Oh, Bobby, you're a star. Tell Jimmy he's good. Tell him to get himself one as well. Take that other £5. All right. I love. Yeah, I've managed to speak to the distribution team. Turns out there has been an issue with the order, so we're going to get it sent out first class today through the post office. So hopefully it should be with you tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, so sorry about that, love. Yeah, I mean, if you do get the extra one, that's fine. Have that one on us. Yeah. Oh, you have a very Merry Christmas too, love. Yeah, all the very best to you. All right, love. All right. Bye, love. Bye.